Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with REST API snapshots for UI data models, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your UI data models using REST API snapshots, first ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to the API. Start by familiarizing yourself with the API documentation for your specific platform. Identify the endpoint for creating a snapshot. Use an API client or command line tool like Postman or curl to send a request. Set the HTTP method to post. Add the required headers, including authentication tokens. In the request body, define the parameters for the snapshot. Include any specific filters, like model IDs or date ranges, if necessary. Submit the request and monitor the response. Make sure the snapshot creation is successful by checking the response status code. If the status is successful, note the snapshot ID for future reference. Next, retrieve the snapshot details by using the GET method on the appropriate endpoint. Include the snapshot ID in your request to obtain the details of the backup. Review the response for confirmation and any relevant information regarding the data model. If applicable, set up a schedule for regular snapshot creation. You may automate this process through scripting, using cron jobs or a task scheduler. Ensure that your backups are being stored securely and retrievable. Document each step of the process for future reference and troubleshooting. Regularly test your backup process to confirm its reliability. Finally, keep an eye on the API changes that may affect snapshot functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.